A blessed and wonderful day to everyone. I am Pastor George Lopez Jr. from the Philippines. I received yesterday the amount of 30,394 pesos and 65 centavos sent to me by Brother Jumpring. This is the receipt of the money changer. Thank you so much to Bardong Helping Hands 1835 for your kindness and generosity. To all sponsor and supporter of this organization, I may not able to repay your kindness and generosity, and I'm praying that the God we serve will bless you, not only you but also all the members of your family, to bless you abundantly. Thank you for your faithfulness and kindness and compassion to the less fortunate people. Thank you so much, Brother June Pring, for your effort and concern to me. I will start the procedure of my examination next week, praying always for you, to bless every one of you and your sponsor and supporter. God bless you all.